Does the law of attraction work? Yes, but probably not the way you were taught. If you're sitting on the couch visualizing $1 million and waiting for it to magically appear, you're not practicing the law of attraction. You're daydreaming. And that's exactly why so many people quit, saying, "This doesn't work." They confuse manifestation with magical thinking. In this video, I'm going to show you how the law of attraction really works. The part coaches don't usually tell you. The part that requires effort. The part that combines neuroscience, strategic action, and energetic alignment. By the end, you'll understand why some people manifest what they want, while others stay stuck, repeating affirmations that lead nowhere. Ready to understand manifestation for real? Not the fairy tale version? Let's go. Let's start by destroying the biggest myth about the law of attraction. That thoughts alone create reality. They don't. Thoughts create tendencies, direction, and perception. But they don't materialize anything on their own. If they did, everyone who thought about winning the lottery would win, and clearly that's not the case. So how does the law of attraction really work? Through 3 mechanisms that science has already proven. First mechanism, the reticular activating system, RAS. This is a part of your brain that acts as a reality filter. You can't process every stimulus around you, so the RAS decides what you notice and what you ignore, based on what you believe is important. Classic example, you decide to buy a red car, and suddenly you see red cars everywhere. They were always there, but your RAS didn't highlight them because they weren't relevant. Now they are. Applied to money. If you believe opportunities are scarce, your RAS will filter reality to confirm that belief. You literally won't see opportunities right in front of you. But when you program your RAS to look for abundance, you start noticing chances that always existed. And here's the first, practical step of the law of attraction. You must program your RAS through repeated conscious focus. How? By clearly defining what you want and reinforcing it daily, through visualization, affirmations, or simply asking, "Where are the opportunities today?" You're literally instructing your brain on what to filter from reality. If you're enjoying this scientific breakdown of the law of attraction, hit like and subscribe. There's a lot more truth coming. Second mechanism, confirmation bias. Your brain loves being right, so it looks for evidence that confirms what you already believe. If you believe you're unlucky, you'll notice every failure and ignore every win. If you believe you're lucky, the opposite happens. The law of attraction works because consistent focus creates expectation, and expectation makes your brain search for confirmation. You start noticing synchronicities, or signs from the universe. Things that were always happening, but you weren't paying attention to. And honestly, it doesn't matter whether it's coincidence or the universe conspiring. The result is the same. You act based on what you notice, and that action creates results. Practical application. Stop focusing on what you don't want and obsessively focus on what you do want. This isn't about denying problems. It's about directing attention. You train your confirmation bias to look for evidence that you're growing, progressing, and manifesting. The more evidence you notice, the more aligned your actions become, and the more you actually manifest. Third mechanism, the self-fulfilling prophecy. This is the most powerful one. It happens when your expectations influence your behavior in a way that makes the expectation come true. You believe you'll get the job? You walk into the interview confident, articulate, and curious. You believe you won't? You walk in nervous, hesitant, and self-sabotaging. Same person, same skills, completely different outcomes, driven only by expectation. That's the law of attraction in the real world. Thoughts don't magically create results. Thoughts shape behavior, and behavior creates results. If you're still with me, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's talk about the part nobody wants to hear but is essential. The law of attraction without action is fantasy. You can visualize all day and repeat affirmations 1,000 times, but if you don't move, nothing happens. Most people fail because they think manifestation is passive. It's not. The real manifestation cycle is 1. Clarity about what you want. Mental and emotional alignment, visualization, affirmations. 3. Inspired action toward it. Results begin to appear. You celebrate and reinforce belief, then repeat. Without step 3, you're stuck in imagination. Real manifestation happens when you combine the right mental frequency with directed physical movement. You visualize a thriving business? Great. Now work on the business. You affirm. Prosperity? Beautiful. Now act like a prosperous person. Invest in yourself. Take calculated risks. Create value. There's another crucial element few people talk about: detachment from the outcome. Sounds contradictory, right? Focus on what you want but let go of the result? Yes. Because desperate attachment emits lack. I need this is scarcity energy. I desire this and trust the timing is abundance energy. Detachment doesn't mean not caring. It means doing your part with excellence and releasing obsessive control over how and when it manifests. It's the difference between planting a seed and digging it up every day to check if it sprouted, versus planting, watering, and trusting the process. Now let's get into 5 concrete practices to apply the law of attraction for real. Practice 1. Surgical clarity. I want to be happy, or I want to be rich is too vague. You need specificity. I want to build a business that generates $20,000 a month by December doing X that I love. Now your RAS knows what to look for. Now you can visualize clearly. Now you can act strategically. Practice 2. Emotional scripting. Every day, write your ideal life as if it has already happened, in the present tense, with emotion. I wake up in my dream apartment. I feel grateful for the view. I check my bank account and smile. I work on something I love and I'm well paid for it. Emotion programs the subconscious and creates the frequency of having, not wanting. Practice 3. Visualization with planned action. Visualize for 10 minutes in the morning. Then ask, what action can I take today that moves me closer? Send the proposal, make the call, study the skill. Visualization must lead to movement. Practice 4. High-frequency environment. Your environment influences you. If you want abundance but surround yourself with complaints, negativity, and fear-based news, your frequency drops. Create a high-frequency environment. Inspiring people, empowering books, growth-oriented conversations. Practice 5. Celebrating micro-manifestations. Manifestation is progressive. You don't jump to 1,000,000 if you've never manifested 1,000. Celebrate small wins. Found $20? That's abundance. Got an unexpected proposal? That's alignment. The more you celebrate small manifestations, the faster bigger ones come. So let's recap. 3 scientific mechanisms. The reticular activating system filters reality based on focus. Confirmation bias seeks evidence for beliefs. Self-fulfilling prophecy turns expectations into behavior and results. The uncomfortable truth: manifestation without action is illusion. The real cycle is clarity, plus alignment, plus action, plus results, plus celebration. And the 5 practices: surgical clarity, emotional scripting, visualization with action, high-frequency environment, and celebrating micro-manifestations. Does the law of attraction work? Yes, but not as passive magic. It works as a focus tool, a perception program, and a generator of inspired action. When you understand this, you stop waiting for miracles and start creating reality consciously. Here's my manifestation challenge for you. Choose one specific thing you want to manifest in the next 30 days. Not $1,000,000. Not eternal happiness. Something tangible and realistic. A new client. $2,000 extra income. A job opportunity. For 30 days, apply all 5 practices daily. And here's the key. You also work. You act. you move. The law of attraction doesn't replace effort. It multiplies focused effort. After 30 days, come back and comment what you manifested. I want results, not theory. If you want more content on manifestation, mindset, and mental reprogramming, there's a full playlist here on the channel, from beginner to advanced techniques. Like this video if it demystified the law of attraction for you. Subscribe for truth, not fairy tales. Turn on notifications. Share this with someone who's trying to manifest the wrong way. Comment below, what's the first thing you're going to manifest using the law of attraction the right way? Remember, you are not a victim of circumstances. You're not at the mercy of fate. You have the power to direct your attention, shape your beliefs, and act strategically. That is the law of attraction. As Henry Ford said, if you believe you can or you believe you can't, you're right. Change belief, change perception, change action, change results. Simple? Yes. Easy? No. Possible? Absolutely. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I'll see you in the next video, already manifesting consciously, already creating reality with intention. Until then, focus clearly and act boldly.